What's up, core crew? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Courtney Janine, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, it's another wig install video. I will be reviewing True Glory Hair. They were kind enough to send this unit to me and also sponsor this video, so definitely check the link in the description box to see where you can purchase this unit. First, I just want to show you guys the packaging because it's so sleek. And yeah, so this is what the unit came in. I picked up their HD lace in the Brazilian straight and 20 inches, just so you know. And it came in this really nice box. When you open it, it says hello gorgeous. That's where your unit came, everything like that. Also, before I just speed through this install process, because I do have like a how-to beginner install video already on my channel, using all the products that I will today, and doing the ball cap method and everything like that. This is the unit. Just to let you guys know, I did pluck her a bit, and I also did bleach the knots. So yeah, but now I'm just going to install the wig. I'm gonna do the ball cap method. I haven't done it in so long. So this should be interesting, but stay tuned as I install this wig, and then I'll let you guys know my final thoughts. Yeah, let's get to it. Oh, before we get into today's video, if you're not subscribed or if you're new here, definitely click the subscribe button and join the Core Crew family. It's lit over here. I do so many different types of things, from wig reviews like you'll see today, makeup reviews, try on haul, makeup tutorials, vlogs, and everything like that. So definitely subscribe, and with that, let's get into today's video.
Working on a weekend like usual, way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. By the glass, your man a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell the shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on FBG, God forbid. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on a weekend like usual, way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. Back in a better. Baby, it's whatever. Other is gripping your thigh. Gotta be sick on this side. Pull up skirt, skirt. Pull up skirt. Setting kids on playing games, and it's love and ain't the same. I don't know what to say, but what a shame. If you were mine, you would like it the same. If you were mine, you would top everything. straight up, baby. Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. Back in a panic.
This ain't for the best. My reputation's never been worse, so you must like me for me. We can't make any promises now, can we, babe? But you can make me a dream. Dive bar on the east side, where you at? Phone lights at my nightstand in the black. Come here, you can meet me in the back. Dark jeans and your Nikes, look at you. Oh damn, never seen that color blue. Just think of the fun things we could do. This ain't for the best. My reputation's never been worse, so you must like me for me. We can't make any promises now, can we, babe? But you can make me a dream. Is it cool that I said all that? Is it chill that you're in my head? Cause I know that it's delicate. Delicate. Is it cool that I said all that? Is it too soon to do this yet? Cause I know that it's delicate. Delicate.
Alright guys, so this is the final look. This is the True Glory hair wig. If you're interested in this unit, I will have a link down below so you can shop this look. Honestly, my final thoughts, I love this wig. I think that it is really pretty. The hair is super soft. It is on the thinner side, but when you have a thinner like density, it does tend to look 10 times more natural. So that's a plus, like a pro and a con. It also holds a curl really well. I curled the hair just to give it a bit more volume. I don't think that this is beginner friendly. You guys know I talked about bleaching the knots, I talked about plucking the unit, and all that. I even did a bald cap method today, so you know I was really trying to go all out with this wig. With doing all that, I would say that it's not beginner friendly just because I had to put in a lot of work, but if you are an experienced wig wearer looking for some human hair, looking for units that you can bleach, that you can really get a number of different looks with, and this hair is for you. So check the description box so that you can shop this look. With that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm